Today we're going to be putting on our screen protector. This is the Tuff Stone TPU screen protector. This is a matte finish, and you get 5 of them plus 2 lens protectors. Now, I'm not going to install the lens protector because I already have lens caps on my phone right here. And if you want to see that video, I'll leave a card up above. So let's get started. First, I'm going to put this to the side because we won't need it anymore. We will need a wet wipe and a dry wipe. So here are our wet wipe, dry wipe. First, take your wet wipe, wipe down the phone in case you've touched the screen and set up your phone. It's a good idea just to wipe everything down, make it clean, make sure there's no oil or fingerprints left behind. Go ahead, get your dry wipe. Just dry off the entire screen. Now, if you have a case, it should make this a lot easier. Won't move around on the table. So this is very important. Get your dust absorber. Go along the whole entire phone. Make sure there's no dust, no debris left on the screen. If you have any dust or debris, well, your screen protector is going to show bubbles that will not go away. Once you do that, put your dust absorber there. Take your screen protector. You're going to peel this off. This is going to be on the back. So line up the camera hole. Trying to make it as precise as possible. I'm going to press down here. If you have any issues at all, just check. Good to go, good to go. So what I like to do is take my dust absorber again, lift up the back, make sure it's all good. Put that back down. You're going to take your card, lift up. Good to go. Now you're going to lift up this side. Do the same thing. See, there's a little bit of dust on the screen. You probably can't see it on the camera, but I can definitely see it on the screen. That back down. Take your card. Easy as that. Voila. Nice matte finish on it. And it's ready to go. So anyways, thank you for watching. Link in the description below if you want to try out these anti-glare matte finished screen protectors. They're also anti-fingerprint, so good to go. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the case video. Alright, bye-bye now.